In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Draw.io. If you want your diagrams to look clean, consistent, and tailored to your style, changing the theme is the quickest way to do it. We'll keep this simple, and by the end, your canvas will have a fresh, polished look without you having to restyle every shape manually. First, open your web browser and go to Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. You can use the web version in any modern browser. If you're prompted about where to save your files, choose the option that works for you, online storage or your device, and continue to a blank diagram or any diagram you're already working on. The theme can be changed at any time, so you don't need a special file to follow along. Once your diagram is open, look to the top menu bar. Find the Extras menu, then click Theme. This opens the Theme panel that controls the overall visual style of your shapes, connectors, and default text. Think of it as a design preset that updates your diagram's look in one move. You'll see several options. Automatic lets Draw.io follow your system's appearance, switching between light and dark styles if your device does. Classic gives you the familiar original Draw.io look, with straightforward colors and default shapes. Simple trims down visual noise for a clean, modern feel that works well for process flows. Minimal goes even lighter on accents, so your content takes center stage, great for documentation and presentations. Sketch introduces a hand-drawn vibe with rough edges and casual lines, perfect for brainstorming and whiteboard-style walkthroughs. And Atlas offers a contemporary, professional style with balanced spacing that's ideal for client-facing diagrams. Click each option to see the preview applied immediately to your canvas. Nothing is permanent. You can switch as often as you like. If your diagram already has custom colors or styles on specific shapes, the theme adjusts the defaults while respecting many of your manual changes so you don't lose your work. If you prefer a uniform look, select your shapes and clear local formatting before or after picking a theme. A quick tip: choose a theme that matches your audience. Sketch for exploratory sessions, Minimal or Simple for internal docs, and Atlas or Classic for polished reports. Also, check your diagram at different zoom levels to ensure text and lines remain readable with the chosen theme. That's it. You've updated your Draw.io theme. Save your diagram when you're happy with the result and you're ready to keep building with a consistent, professional style.